Ethereum printed its high before breakfast, then spent the whole day deciding what that high actually was. Tonight we measure it. The high came at 1981, early this morning, the top of the fifth wave this channel put on the table at sunrise. From there, the market gave back $62. That slide has a shape. It cut $11 through the fifth wave's first retracement, stopped $4.42 above the halfway line, and by the close it had climbed back above the level it pierced. First, the morning's work stands. The surviving labeling, wave 1 at 1846 and wave 4 clearing it by $2.09, is untouched. Today's tape came nowhere near its pivots, and every hard rule passes tonight as it did this morning. Zoom out and count the whole advance again. From 1512, wave 1 ran 334 points, wave 3 added 206, and the fifth has covered 133. And the corrections alternate. Wave 2 gave back barely 29%, wave 4 cut past half of the third. That contrast is exactly what the guideline asks for. Now, the uncomfortable measurement. With wave 1, the long one, the fifth is expected near the third's length. Two measurements agree within 16 cents at 2054. The high stopped $73 short. A fifth wave that far under both of its projections reads one of two ways. Either it is not finished, and today was a pause on the way, or it is finished, and it finished weak, which is how fifth waves end when the crowd that built the third has already spent itself. Call the first reading a pause. It keeps its shape while the fifth's halfway at 1914 holds, and reclaiming the high reopens the pair, $115 above the close. The second reading says the fifth ended this morning. Then the correction of the whole advance has begun, and a completed impulse is allowed to retrace deep without breaking a thing. Mark the shelves that reading aims for. The first sits near 1870, a quarter of the advance given back. Below it waits the floor pair, 1848 above 1846, then 1802. One look at the weekly before the verdict. The advance is 469 points off a base at 1512, after 2 years of decline from near 5,000. At that scale, today's dip is 13% of it. A wrinkle, not a verdict. Momentum agrees with the ambiguity. It sat at the advance's highs this morning and has cooled to the middle near 50, which fits a pause and a finished fifth equally well. So the tell is the halfway line, 1914 and 66 cents. Today's low stopped $4.42 above it, which is either respect or a first knock on the door. The plan. While 1914 holds, the fifth is intact, and taking back the high reopens 2054. Under the halfway, the pause weakens. Under 1848, the fifth fails, and $2 lower every impulse reading retires. This channel retired a count in public this morning on the exact level it had named. If the fifth goes the same way, it goes the same way, measured on its numbers out loud. $73 short above, $4 of grace below. That is the whole evening. Educational analysis, not advice. The next measurement comes with tomorrow's candles.